continue with tables because we had so much trouble yesterday with them, especially second and third block. Y'all were, I applaud you guys. Y'all did pretty good. Y'all figured out what was going on and doing good, all right? My other two classes, oh my goodness, they fought us tooth and nail. They just didn't want to think, I guess. So we're going to go over it again, but y'all got it down pretty good yesterday. Sometimes in a table, we're not looking for the algebra problem. Sometimes in the table there is missing parts. Okay? For instance, look at our first three examples right here. There's missing parts. There's A missing and B missing or something, isn't there? A's and B's missing. Sometimes we're asked to find the missing part in a table. If there's missing parts, we look for a, what's it called? Ah, who said it? VID, good job. Pattern. We look for a pattern, which again, y'all, is what? How did this number turn into this number, turn into this number, turn into this number? There's usually a pattern to it. Okay? There's usually a pattern to it. So we're going to look for the pattern to find the missing parts. Look at our first example right there. 4, 9, 6, 13, 8 missing 21, 12, 25. Now, you can look sometimes horizontally, sideways, and find the pattern. Sometimes you can look vertically, up and down, and find the pattern, because remember, most algebraic tables are proportional, aren't they? They are proportional, so we can look up and down. He must be really lost. It's been 10 minutes since we were told he was here. All right, so do you see a pattern going sideways or up and down?
Sideways.
Which one jumps at you first?
Sideways.
Sideways. Okay, what's happening sideways?
The numbers.
All right, what numbers?
4.
Tell me the X numbers or the Y numbers are you looking at?
X.
What's happening in the X numbers? 4 turns into 6, turns into 8, turns into 12. Well, what's the 10. Because the pattern was, oh, not the A. We're talking about the B, aren't we? I apologize, y'all. The B is 10, isn't it? Because of the pattern going sideways. It looked like it was going up by 2s. Now, is there a pattern on the next one? Which is the Y ones. We'll be looking for A. 9 turns into 13, turns into 21, turns into 25. What does A have to be?
17.
All right, only a few of you said that. What's the pattern?
4.
Up here was plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. What's down here?
4.
Plus 4, and out here was
4.
plus 4, so I'm guessing in between here needs to be plus 4. So what's 13 plus 4?
17.
17. And then the 17 plus 4, does it give us 21?
Yes.
It got us a pattern. And we found the missing parts. Is that really that hard? No. Oh. Okay. Gallons and pints. 2 and 16, 4 and 32, 6 and 48, and 10 and 80. Okay? What jumps out at you, Vista? Going down? 2 and 16, 4 and 32, 6 and 48. What's happening? Wrong color. What's happening? Times 8, going up and down. Great. But does that help me though? It'll help me later, but does it help me find A right now? To B, because they're both missing. Does it work sideways because it's proportional? 2, 4, 6, 10. 2, 4, 6, 10. 2, 4, 6,
8.
2, 4, 6,
8.
2, 4, 6,
8.
2, 4, 6.
8.
I'm waiting for one person to say it with me. 2, 4, 6,
8.
8. There we go, because he was gone there for a second. So A is 8. Okay. Now, can we do the up and down? We know up to down is times 8. We just found 8, so what's 8 times 8?
68.
So the B must be... Now, was there a pattern going sideways on the bottom? 16 turned into 32.
Times 2. Plus 16.
Plus 16. Yes, times 2, but what's 32 times 2? Does it get 48?
No.
It's not times 2 then. It doesn't work all the way down.
Plus 16.
It looks like plus 16. Then if I plus 16 again, do I get 48? Is 48 plus 16 64? Oh, bye-bye. And is 64 plus 16 80? Bye-bye. What y'all think? Boy? Boy, good job, y'all. All right. Number of cubes, number of faces, 1 to 6, 2 to 18, 4 to 24, 5 to 30. Melody, what jumps out at you? Sideways or up and down? What were you going to say? Don't listen to nobody. You had your hand up. What were you going to say? Come on. Which one jumps out at you, though? Sideways? Sideways on which one, X or Y? I hope you say X, because it says 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. So the missing piece right there is 3. All right. Is there something going on up and down? Can you tell? 1 turned into 6, 4 turned into 24, 5 turned into 30, up and down. What do you think, GW? Do y'all think up and down is times 6? So is 3 times 6 18? So our B part's right. How do I find A? Up and down. 2 times 6. A must be 12. Now, does the pattern go sideways on Y? 6, 18, 24, 30. Well, how does 18 turn into 24? Plus 6 is 24 plus 6, 30. So what was 6 plus 6 up here in the front? 12, just what we got up and down. See how it's proportional? Sideways and up and down. Woo. Finding missing parts in there, is that very hard? No, find the pattern. It might be an up and down pattern. Look for a pattern. It might be up and down. It might be sideways. It'll work for us, won't it? Now, the next one. What are y'all going to say when I'm writing this up here? I'm sorry? No, that's what I wrote. What do y'all say about that? We did that yesterday. What was our key yesterday on finding the equation? What was the key? On the tax test. On the tax test. when they tell you to find the equation from a table, do they have those equations as your answer choices? Yes or no? Yes, they do. And on today's assignment, I'm going to have answer choices for you. Boom, 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 boom. You just got to find the one that makes it work, right? We still what? PhD. We still PhD if we can. But if we've got answer choices, we look for the answer choice that does the PhD in for us, right? Plug in first column numbers into all what? Answer choices to see which one gives us the numbers in second what? Column. That's right. Well, I need to write different colors, don't I? Should have already had this done, Mr. Burt, shouldn't I? Probably so. So this one should say here's my answer choices. Here are my answer choices. One of those is correct. Do you all agree? Has to be, doesn't it? They're not going to give us 4 answer choices and none of them be right. Okay? So one of these will work for this stuff right here. So we take the first number in the first column. We take the first number in the first column, plug it in here. What is, let me write it in there. Here we go. What is 2 divided by 2?
1.
But we're supposed to get, agree? Doesn't work. You agree, Jax? Doesn't work. Okay. Take the first number, first column, plug it in for the end. What's 5 times 2? But we're supposed to get 4. When I put 2 in, I'm supposed to get 4. Agree? Okay. Put the first number, first column in the next answer. 2 times 2. Oh, that's a bacatita. Okay, plug in the next one. 5. 2 times 5.
10.
Oh, you liking it?
Yeah.
Put the next number in there. 7. 2 times 7.
14.
Put 12 in there. 2 times 12.
24.
What are y'all thinking?
Let's see.
Ooh, I'm kind of liking that, aren't you? Let's double check this. Put 2 in here.
Yes.
4. Oh, it works. Put the next number in there. 5. 5 plus 2.
6. Wait, no, 7. 7. 7. 7.
7. Oh,
No.
we're supposed to get 10. So we are correct, aren't we? It's the 2 in one, isn't it? That was like yesterday, wasn't it? All right. E, F, G, and what? Is it H? Or is it F, G, H, and J?
It's FGHJ.
Okay. Well, I messed up on this one then. Sorry. Don't hate me now, okay? there's our answer choices. Which one gonna work? None of them. Were you gonna tell me that, Mr.
I
Burke?
was gonna let it go.
You were gonna let it go?
Well, that way they had to try them on and they.
That's true. I gotta put the right one in there, don't I?
Yeah, now they'll know what it was if I would have told you.
I know it. Alright, but I'm gonna trick you. I'm gonna write some more in there. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Let's put it in there. What do we got to put in there? The first column number, 3 in there for n. What's 3 times 3? Oh, I like it. Put a 5 in there. 3 times 5. Uh-oh, I'm supposed to get 25. What does that tell us? Okay. Uh-oh, what does this mean, y'all? What does it mean, though, mathematically?
Times 2.
Not times 2. Slap somebody. There's 2 n's. Oh, remember? So put 3 in there. So that means 3 goes there and there. 3 times 3. Yes? Okay. Put 5 in there. But 5's got to go in both places. Oh, put 7 in there. 7 times 7. Put 12 in there. Ooh, I'm liking that one. What about y'all?
Yeah.
Okay. Put 3 in there. 3 minus 6. Well, right now we can't do that. I haven't been taught that. So, bam. Put 3 in here. 6 times 3. 18. There's our right answer. Okay? Everybody okay? All right. Go back to A, B, C, C, and D. All right. Here's our answer choices. What do you think? No? What we do? I've been doing this and y'all have been just sitting there, so it's your turn. Where's the 5? I don't know where 5 is. Well, what about it? Answer choice A, I see it. Good. We got to do what?
Times 5.
Plug who in it? The first number in the first column. Takes the 2, plug it in for the n. 5 times 2. Ooh, I like it. Put the next number in. 5 times 5. Ooh, I like it. 5 times 9. Ooh, what are y'all liking? I'm liking A. What about y'all? But we got to try the others just to make sure. 10 times 2. 20?
No.
All right. Put 2 in there. 2 divided by 2. 1. Well, there's 1. Oh, it's got a 0 in it. Oh. Put 2 in there. What do we get? 12. Oh, no. What do you think? We all okay with that? All right, we got to move over there. We're not going to do these last 2 because y'all looking like y'all are doing pretty good. So let's do one more over here. We saw a couple of these yesterday, but I didn't talk about them. Look at all the answer choices. What are these? They're multiple choice. Tell them they're loud, girlfriend.
Proportion.
It's a proportion. Look at all of them. Fraction equals fraction. Fraction equals fraction. Okay. Let's read it real quick there. Macy Gar.
The Blockbuster free movie ticket placed in 3 out of.
Oh, wait a minute. Forgot the word is. All right, go ahead now. Start over. No.
The Blockbuster free movie ticket is placed in 3 out of every 72 cases of Dr. Pepper. If there are 384 cases of Dr. Pepper, which equation could be used to find out how many cases have a free movie ticket in them?
Oh man, all those answer choices just all jumbled up in my head. Is there anything up in the problem that helps me? Elizabeth.
Out of every.
Whoa! What is that?
Ratio.
A ratio word. And a ratio word tells me to set up a fraction. So I'm going down here, I'm going to do this. And then the ratio words tell me look in front. And what's in front? 3. Put it on top. And what's behind, we put on the bottom. What's behind? 72. Do you see any 3 over 72s here? I'm not even going to finish it right now. I'm going to look at my answer choices right now. Are there any 3 over 72s? C. I got a D right here with 3 over 72. So what about these two? Okay. This tells me I've gotten closer. I've eliminated 2 answers. But we got to keep going now a little bit. All right, here we go. What does the 3 represent up here? 3 what? 3 is the what?
Tickets.
Oh, the ticks. All right. What's the 72? Cases. So when I set up another fraction, I need ticks
Cases.
and the cases on the bottom, the same way I did the first one, right? What's the only other number given to us besides the 3 and the 72?
384.
And what is the 384?
Cases.
So where does it go?
Bottom.
Ah. What goes here? Ah. Which one? Ah. Do we have to actually work it out? No, because it says which equation. They don't want us to work it out. They just want us to find the one that we would work out if we had to. Kill it, girlfriend. Punch it one time.